Welcome back to Newest Rev. Today, we've got something fire for you, an unboxing of the Nike Air Jordan 3 Retro Wings. These aren't just any sneakers, they're a statement piece with a purpose. The Jordan 3 Retro Wings isn't just about style, it's about impact. This limited edition drop supports Jordan Brand's Wings Scholarship Program, helping underprivileged youth access education. And the design? Chef's kiss. You've got the iconic elephant print on the heel and toe, a premium white leather and denim twill upper with a stunning rose and leaf pattern, and that pop of pink on the outsole. Plus, air cushioning for that unbeatable comfort. These are art you can wear. The denim twill upper isn't just for looks, it's durable and gives these Jordans a unique texture you won't find on other retros. And that rose motif on the heel? It's hand-painted, with pink petals and gold-orange leaves for a vintage floral vibe. Even the elephant print gets a luxe upgrade here. Matte and subtle, not the usual glossy finish. Every stitch, every material choice screams limited edition prestige. It's there. The air cushioning in the midsole gives you that classic Jordan bounce, whether you're rocking these for style or all-day wear. The rubber outsole has a rose tint that ties into the theme but also grips like a champ. And because of the mix of leather and twill, these breathe better than your average AJ3. Translation: no sweaty feet, just clean fits and head-turning flair. They're rare. Limited editions like this sell out fast. Second, the craftsmanship is next level. Soft leather, durable denim twill, and that floral detailing makes them stand out in any collection. And let's not forget, you're supporting a great cause just by wearing them. Win-win. Now, where'd I get these? Mulebuy.com. A killer cross-border e-commerce platform that hooks you up with exclusive sneakers and hard-to-find drops straight from Greater China. If you're into sneakers, streetwear, or just saving money, this site is a game-changer. Mulebuy isn't your average shopping site. They specialize in bridging global buyers with top-tier products from China, offering everything: procurement, warehousing, logistics, and even quality inspections. With over 1.8 million customers and a catalog of 1 million plus products, they're legit. Plus, they handle after-sales support, custom packaging, and global shipping. Their motto: from China to global. And trust me, they deliver. Their team is on point. They've got a dedicated support squad, unlimited QC photos, and even order splitting. If you're worried about international shipping, don't be. They pack everything with care, using protective materials to keep your kicks safe. These guys get what sneakerheads want. Mulebuy's agents curate a spreadsheet with over 10,000 plus trending products. Sneakers, hype gear, you name it. This is your cheat sheet to the best deals before they sell out. I'll drop the link below. For real-time updates, join their Discord server. Link in description. It's packed with deal alerts, unboxings, and a community of resellers and collectors. Don't sleep on it. All the info, Mulebuy's site, socials, contact details, and the spreadsheet are in the description. Go check it out and grab your Jordans before they're gone. That's it for today. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next drop. Big thanks to Mulebuy for the hookup.